Please place your feet back against the restraint and pull your harness down as far as it will go. During your ride, please...
All clear? All clear.
Pull down, then lift up on your harness. Zigzag to your left and down the ramp. Welcome to Suuperman Ultimate Flying.
All right.